If you want to save all your contacts to your iCloud, so in this video I will share with you an easy method on how to do that on any iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, we will have to sync the contacts which are saved on your SIM card to your iCloud. For that, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Contacts app, then tap on it. Now just scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap on Import SIM Contacts. From this list, just select iCloud. But if the option of iCloud is not available in this list, just select on my iPhone. After you import all the contacts from your SIM card to your iPhone, the next step is to tap on Contacts Accounts, and from here just go to each email account which is logged into on your iPhone, then enable the toggle for contacts in each email account. By doing that, you will sync the different contacts which are saved on your different email accounts to your iPhone. Now after you sync the contacts of your email accounts with your iPhone, then the next step is to go back to the main settings page. Over here, just scroll down and tap on the name of your Apple account. On this page, just tap on iCloud. Then in front of Saved to iCloud, just tap on See All. Now from this list, just look for the Contacts app. Now just make sure you enable the toggle in front of Contacts. And by doing that, you will sync all the contacts on your iPhone to your iCloud. And this is how you can save all your contacts from your iPhone to your iCloud. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.